Hello and welcome to the 10th episode on how to use GitKraken Studio 2.0 edition. In this video, I'll show you how to rebase/update your branch onto staging. Now you can see we're behind staging, as staging is now up here and we're down here. Maybe we want to access a feature without merging our work into staging. Now to do this, we'll use rebasing. So what it means is we'll disconnect from here and put it all up here. This is a great way on updating your branch while preventing future merge conflicts. So to rebase your branch, right click the target branch you want to rebase, in this case staging. So I'm going to right click staging and then click rebase your branch onto staging. It is rebase your branch onto staging. Now once you click that, you can now see that it's now off of this. So now we have two branches. So if you remember on the previous episodes that if we have two, this means we need to force push. So just like that, we have updated the branch. And now we're on the newer part of staging and we get all the lovely changes this merge provides, all these files now, without actually merging into staging.